Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about which pet you think is better, cats versus dogs. And I was inspired to create this assignment because Nevaeh V wanted to talk about dogs. Kylie said she wanted to learn about cats. Hannah talked about both a little bit. Somebody else wanted to talk about cats and dogs. And I think it was Shamar. So our job for today is to create a Google document that looks something like this. So I've already given you a title. You're just going to go in and double click here and add your name. So I'm going to do that now. And then I kind of outlined exactly how your writing should look. So the first thing, oh no, my battery's low. So the first thing you're going to do is think of an introduction. So remember that when we're writing an opinion piece, the first thing that we do in our intro is to just state our opinion. So which animal do you think is the best pet to have? So you might start by saying, let's click in the box, I think that a blank. And then of course you'll choose. I'm not going to tell you my choice just yet. I think that a blank is the best pet to have, or something like that. You can also say something like, I think that blanks are awesome. So it's up to you, but as long as you tell us which your opinion is, that's perfectly fine. In the middle for the second paragraph, it says to write at least 3 reasons. I'm just going to highlight that and make it bold because we need at least 3. You can definitely have more than that, but not any less, right? Write at least 3 reasons why you think this animal makes the best pet. So I'm not going to write too much just because I don't want to give any away. I'm going to make my font a little bigger. I'm going to make it 18. So you might have something like, I think, blah, blah, blah. Another reason, so this is where you're going to have, I'm looking to see those transition words. I also think, things like that could be your transitions for this part. Then at the end, you're going to add a closing. So if you're adding a lot into these other boxes, this box might move down to the second page, so please don't forget that it's there. But this is where you're going to write your closing. So for your closing, you just restate your opinion. So just remind us of which animal you picked and why. So I might say something like, this is why I think blanks, dogs or cats, are awesome. Something like that. So it doesn't have to be exactly those words, but this is just going to give you an idea of what I'm looking for. The main part is this section to have at least 3 different reasons. Use those transition words. I'm looking for capitals and punctuation. Okay, that is it for today. I can't wait to see your work. And I'm curious to see which pet you think is the best to have and if it's the same as mine.